In 1906, when the town was wood and tar, lived a widow named Ada May, ran a boarding house and bar. She mixed a tonic with turpentine, said it healed the aching cold. But the night she burned that let her down, the fire took hold. A widow's fire still glows red down on Main where the whispers spread. Ashes fall and the bells all whine. You can't bury smoke in the back of your mind. They said she loved a soldier gone and lost at Shiloh's field. And every word he ever wrote, her sorrow kept concealed. When she struck that match to silence pain, the walls lit up like judgment's flame. Sheridan burned till the moon turned gray, and Ada May just walked away. Widow's fire still glows red down on Main where the whispers spread. The ashes fall and the bells all whine. You can't bury smoke in the back of your mind. Now the street runs smooth and the lights burn white, but under the bricks there's a ghost of that night. Every storm brings a scent of pine and tar. Someone swears they see a shadow by the bar. No grave holds and no preacher knows where a woman's heart or her sorrow goes. But when thunder rolls through the courthouse square, folks still cross themselves in the smoky air. Widow's fire don't need a name. Some hearts burn till they're all flame. Ada's corner, truth and lying still catch spark when the wind comes crying. Widow's fire still glowing red down on Main where tears were shed. Hit the city at rush hour, I was feeling just fine. Got a green in my sights, then it turned on a dime. Stopped again at the corner, tapped a wheel in time. Seems the universe is laughing at this life of mine. Every red light, every time I roll, big city, suburb, or a one-lane stroll, doesn't matter where I'm bound tonight. I'm stuck at every single red light. Tried my luck out in the small town square, one light hanging down, thought I'd sail right there, but it blinked to red like it knew my name. Guess the traffic guys just play this game. Every red light, every time I roll, big city, suburb, or a one-lane stroll, doesn't matter where I'm bound tonight. I'm stuck at every single red light. Maybe it's fate saying slow things down. Maybe there's a lesson in this stoplight town. But I swear I hear that amber glowing grin saying, son, you ain't win, you're just stuck again. Highway wide open, feeling free at last, till I hit the off-ramp and the moment don't pass. That little light turns red just to keep me still. Guess I'll never outrun that stubborn will. Every red light, every time I roll, big city, suburb, or a one-lane stroll, doesn't matter where I'm bound tonight. I'm stuck at every single red light. Yeah, green means go, but it never feels right when you're stuck at every single red light. Sun was sinking low, just killing time. But the wind changed tune, felt colder than it should, and I started second guessing if the ride felt good. It's not about nerves, it's more about sense. Some nights feel open, others feel tense. Stars might shine, but they don't light the lane, and I've seen what happens when you ride through rain. Don't ride tonight, let the dark be still. There's nothing out there that's worth the thrill. You can chase the wind some other day, but when your gut says no, it's best that way. Don't ride tonight, let the morning show the way. I felt the freedom when the pavement's warm, with the hum of the wheels and the engines form. But shadows lie, and the night don't care, and a curve can take from anywhere. Don't ride tonight, let the dark be still. There's nothing out there that's worth the thrill. You can chase the wind some other day, when your gut says no, it's best that way. Don't ride tonight, let the morning show the way. There's time ahead for open skies, for sunrise, miles and long goodbyes. But tonight ain't one to roll the dice. Some roads are meant for life. Don't ride tonight, just let it be. There's peace in waiting patiently. So leave the helmet by the door. You'll ride again in something more. Don't came down like a funeral wreath. Saline River rising from the pits of hell. Frederick Steele led his weary men through the Arkansas clay again and again. Boots stuck fast where the water rolled, gray and blue, both caked in cold. They said Price was coming from the south that morn, through the mire where the oaks were torn. The guns were useless, drowned in rain, but the cannon still thundered just the same. Smoke and steam where the river bends, God alone could tell the friends. Mud and thunder at Jenkins Ferry, no glory found, no cause to carry. Rain on faces, blood in the clay. The past don't wash from a field that way. A drummer boy lost his stick in the flood. A chaplain prayed through the bark and mud. Voices rose with a rebel yell, then sank beneath that watery shell. No flag could fly, no horse could stand, just ghosts knee deep in Arkansas land. Mud and thunder at Jenkins Ferry, no glory found, no cause to carry. Rain on faces, blood in the clay. The past don't wash from a field that way. Now the forest whispers soft and low, where the Saline's black waters flow. Names forgotten, but the ground remembers April's chill and dying embers. Mud and thunder at Jenkins Ferry, may the fallen sleep unweary. Rain still falls and the river stays, but peace grows wild where they once lay. I've carried men and timber, blood and silt and song, heard the cries of April thunder when the march went wrong. They built me bridges out of sorrow, ropes and rafts and prayer, but the ferry sleeps in silence, and I still whisper there.
Boots once pressed against my shadow, voices call my name. The ferrymen watch the soldiers fade into the rain. I kept the wounded drifting till the gunfire died away. Then the mist pulled down its curtain at the breaking of the day.
Now the catfish stir the shallows where the old roads rotted through, and the pine trees hum the stories that no one ever knew. No cannon now, no thunder, just the sigh of passing tires and the sunlight on the water like 1,000 fading flares. Round the bend the blacktop calls me out of shadow into town. Leola waits beyond the tree line where the ferry once went down.
Still I carry what they gave me through the years and through the clay, for the river keeps on moving and it carries time away.
The water sighs beneath the trees,
The highway hums like memory.
the wheels roll on, the voices stay, the river still remembers as we fade away.